balansantia yakungqina mlala kwanyeke mothukela wadanga umdanga kwanga kudabatala mthonyama kumadala badangesi kuzakwaziwana madoda yamdalani prime minister yasandia yamdalani mati yamdalani kalanga yamdalani kokhale sizwe. Wow! Mind hold of generations, redeem and release of humankind from stumbling blocks and obstacles of our daily living. Men avoid dispensations, the power of truth, love and peace, consuming it in your righteous heart, giving back to the life-giving pioneers by not accepting any discrimination, hypocrisy and low status. One Galagilan South Africa, affirm today that you are an African. As the